So we are at Burnt Corral recreation area campground on Apache Lake, and we have site 37 for tonight. Hoping to do some star photography tonight, but I think the clouds might be rolling in. We'll see. I'm going to set up a new tent that we just got. Set a 360 camera up to do a time lapse. We'll see how it turns out. It's starting to cool off. Got one on the back of the truck there too, a GoPro doing a time lapse. So a little time lapse with the 360 camera, showing the clouds coming over. Just to have a little fun with the 360 camera. Well, this is a sunset time lapse. Set the camera up on the back of the truck as the sun went down. So then I set the GoPro up to get the star trails. A lot of clouds that night, but the moon illuminated a lot of clouds. But we got some good trails as the moon set.